and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having an amazing day and ready for today's video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do an encapsulation tutorial in real time. I am not going to speed up anything so you can see the whole process. And if you know me, I love layering, so let's get into it. Now, what I will do is show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use this Super Shine Cat Eye from Born Pretty on my base. So now I'm just going to use the magnet, and I'm just trying to bring everything, or not everything, but all the magnetic particles to the top of the nail. And this looks stunning, even in just clear. And once you are happy with it, just cure. So the nail's cured, and I'm going to go in with some jellies from Born Pretty. Now these, I've had these for a while, guys, to be fair. And I'm just going to add the colour. And obviously with the jelly, it's nice and light. So it's, you know, you're not going to get all the thickness as you would if I was using a cream gel, for instance. I'm just gonna add some green there. Now I'm gonna just use, I think I'll use a liner brush. I was going to use a brush. Just move these gels to the side. So I'm gonna ombre that blue and pink jelly. Happy with that, just cure it. So now I'm going to go in with this 8-in-1 builder gel from Born Pretty. This was in my last PR, and I'll have it linked in the description. And that's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to put a tiny little bit down as kind of like your slip. The pieces that I cut, they're like, I think, angel paper. So it's like angel foil paper, should I say? I don't know, angel foil. I've had these for so long. So now I'm just going to pick up the pieces and then lay them down. Now, if the pieces don't lay down, get rid of it. It really isn't worth it, because it's just going to give you more work. What you want is for the pieces to lay down very, very flat. Sorry, just trying to see if that would fit. So once you're happy with all your pieces that you've put down and you've checked it, you can cure it. Just little scissors, and I can snip the excess pieces. Because of what we're doing, this is not about building the nail, but rather encapsulating. So you can go in with a liner brush as well, and just make sure you get that builder gel right to the edge, the cuticle, the free edge, all of that. I'm going to turn it upside down just for a few seconds, just so the gel can settle and then cure. And once the nail's cured, you want to use some isopropyl alcohol and just wipe off that tacky layer. Looking like this. Now I'm just going to use a buffer. I'm not going to use a nail file, and that's why it's really the best idea to make sure what you're encapsulating is flat. Now you could go in with chrome, but I'm going to go in with a thin layer of that cat eye again on top. We're going to shift. it just adds something else to the nail. Here for it. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you Born Pretty. Here's how that nail's looking. Absolutely gorge. Encapsulating never gets old for me. As I said guys, I will leave links in the description, this builder gel, because it is just so easy to use and so glossy. You can see beneath the nail, you can see the shards, you can see the jelly. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is how it looks when I turn the lamp down. Just like, what?